Prayash and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox Nerf Alpha Strike Wolf R1. Let's unbox it. This is not coming, guys. Guys, if we will fall in problem, we will need all this. First we will cut it, guys. Guys, this is our gun. We will keep it aside. First we will take our bullets, guys. Maybe we should take one here. Guys, our bullets are not coming, guys. What is this? Okay, guys, now we will take it. Guys, now we will take our bullets. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are 12. If will not, I will be very alive. Guys, now we will take it. These bullets are very hard. There are 12 bullets, you can see. We'll take that now. Guys, these are our darts. Elite darts, you can see. Elite darts. These are 12, guys. You can see. Guys, it's testing time, guys. First, we should keep bullet here. You can see. We should keep here. You can see. We should keep here. Now we will test it, guys. You can see. I'm gonna beat now. But before, we will check its quality, guys. It's very good quality. I ordered it Amazon, guys. This is Alpha Strike, a cute logo of Nerf. And this is a gun. You can see inside. You can see, guys. Inside. This is a scope also. Dynamic scope. And this is a full quality. Here you can see we should push like this. Then we can beat like this, guys. You can see. Testing time, guys. You can see how I'll beat it. Guys, you can see it's a very good aim of mine. I'm not a self pushing person, you know. But these are cups, guys. I brought cups. You can see these are tea cups, guys. Coffee or tea. Yeah, that's your wish. I kept 10. Now I will keep 20, guys. Guys, one cup was not enough, guys. But we will test it. Guys, but it's a good. Guys, it's very good quality. I liked it. If you want, I will keep the links in description. You can buy it. Okay, guys, in the next video, we will meet with another interesting topic. Until then, say it and goodbye. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.